Hello everyone, my name is Reem and welcome back to my channel. So today's transformation is all about this net top. Now I am seeing this top so much in trend and at a very high price recently. So I thought of making one for myself and know the reason why it is so expensive or it's on the high price side. So without wasting any time, let's begin.
You will need two fabrics. Take your lining fabric and fold it like so. Measure your bust and divide it by 2 and then divide it again. Add 2 inches in it. Mark the length you want and draw a straight line. Add a little extra for the elastic casing on the end. Cut it out. Take your net fabric, unfold and place your cutout like so, keeping 2 inches extra on the top and 1 inch at the bottom, which you really don't need because I end up cutting it while making the top. Take your lining fabric, fold it a little and then fold it again to the size of your elastic. Close it down. It should look like this. On the top of your net fabric, make loose stitches, keeping 2 inches extra on the top. To gather the net fabric, pull the thread and gather it to the size of your lining fabric. To attach the net fabric and the lining fabric, close it down from the edge line of this part like so. Create a small armhole space. Mark 1 inch here and 1.5 or 2 inches downwards on both the sides and cut it out. The length was 16 inches, so cut out your elastic at 15 or 14. Add a safety pin to the end and start inserting it to the top. Secure down the edges. At the bottom, make small pleats and pin them in place. Secure it with a straight stitch. Once it is ready, similarly create the other one too. Cut down the extra part if you have any. For making the bottom, cut out your lining fabric according to how long and big you want your skirt to be. I am making it a dress, so I am keeping it long. If you are making a top, then please keep it short. Similarly, cut out the net fabric double the size of your lining fabric. I didn't have enough net fabric even after joining some extras. Gather the net fabric similarly we did before for the top. And for the lining fabric, fold it a little and then fold it to the size of your elastic so it is stretchable at your waist. After gathering, attach it to the lining fabric like so. With the help of a safety pin, add your elastic. Elastic part of the top on the upside. Place it facing right sides together. Attach it to the bottom. Similarly, do it for the other one as well. Facing right sides, pin them both together. Leaving the armhole, close down the rest part. But before that, double fold and hem the bottom of the lining fabric. For the sleeves, I had 1 meter fabric left. I divided and cut it into 2. Measure how long you want your first sleeves to be and then fold the rest. This will give you the double layer sleeves effect. Mark 2 inch and draw a line. Take your elastic and stretch and stitch it down. on that line, I am separating the top part. Create the other sleeves too. For attaching it to the top, face them both wrong side out. मैंने गलती से sleeves उल्टा लगा दिया था. Elastic वाला जो part है वो बाहर की तरफ आएगा. So first close down the armhole part. Then close down the complete sleeves, the long part first and then the short one. Similarly, attach the other sleeves as well. For the straps, I am taking this net fabric, divide it into two parts, fold it once and fold it again and close down. Double folding will make your straps very strong. Cut off the extras. Turn it right side out using a safety pin or a U-pin. Pin and place where you want them to be and attach them with a straight stitch. And you're done!
Watching, I hope you enjoyed the transformation. Now there are some mistakes I made, actually two of them. One I will show you. So one is this. Now I wanted the top to be a little cropper, like to end here, like exactly around this place, but it is ending here, which is like 2 or 1.5 inches extra, and then from here I wanted the skirt to start, but the complete length is so perfect. I really don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to cover it with this beautiful belt because जब हम गलतियाँ सुधार नहीं सकते हमें उसे छुपा लेना चाहिए. I mean at least कोशिश करनी चाहिए छुप जाए. And the second is buying less fabric. Now I estimated that 2.5 से 3 meters में top complete हो जाएगा. And I bought only 3 meters of net fabric. No doubt the top is completed like fully, but अगर 1 meter ज़्यादा होता fabric, so the sleeves would be more poofier, or the skirt would have more gather to it, and you know it would be such a small difference, but such a huge one. But I guess we all learn from our mistakes, and I will try to buy a 1 meter extra at least, just in case, to be on a safer side. So I think that's it. I hope you learned from my mistakes as well, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for lots more fashion transformation, and also to follow me on my Instagram account. And until next time, dream!